out in the garage again. Have a little bit of a project for us today. The Snowcat has been working really well, and it's time to do another improvement on it. I've been waiting for probably a good 6 months to get this one task done, and so today's the day. So previously, with the tracks for this unit, I ended up swapping out two solid tires. So the front wheel is actually rubber on steel, and then these are just the middle ones here are just the run or no flat tires. The back ones are still a pneumatic tire, and that is our weak link here. So I would like to get those swapped out for another set. I have basically the same tires. They have just been filled with a urethane foam, and they will be much more durable for using this unit out and about. We're gonna go ahead and get the truck out of the garage, get this in there, get the garage heated up, and get those tires replaced. Okay, we got the Snowcat inside now, and it's cold outside, damn cold. So it's nice to have a heated shop to be able to do this kind of work on. Now, unfortunately, it's not as bright as I want. These LED lights I got from Menards for 10-15 bucks are just junk. They don't last very long. I don't know what kills them, but I had, 10 of them up there, and now 1, 2, 3, 4... That one's half dead. And then I've already replaced 1, 2, 3 there. So they just keep dropping like flies. I don't know why. Probably because they're so cheap. That's probably all that it is. So anyway, I digress. Get back to the task at hand here. So getting these new tires in is not as hard as you may imagine. Getting to those back tires basically requires us to remove one of these middle idlers, and then we can basically loosen the track off. That back tire will actually, once the track is loose, basically slip underneath that little cross member there, through there, and then it just kind of pivots out underneath. So it's really not as bad as you might think it is for accessing any of these tires. And so the same goes for the front. If you want to get the front out, loosen the track, you pull that second idler out, and then that front tire comes out, no problem. And it's pretty good. So what I'll do is get the Snowcat jacked up. We'll remove those tires, and then we'll look at getting these are basically, like I said, the same tire that's in there already. I bought 2 more, and at the tire shop I had them filled with urethane now, so they are no longer a pneumatic tire. They have some good firmness to them from that urethane, and they will never go flat. And they're a little bit heavier. I'd say each of these tires is probably a good 20 pounds now with that foam in them. So it does add a little bit more weight to the machine, but that's not so bad. That's really low center weight, so that actually helps us out, lowering that center of gravity. Got the new tire installed, and here's the old one. It was just a temporary, it's like a snowblower tire. It happened to be the right size just to get the Cat working again, but I'm much happier having now. These are all non-pneumatic tires, so basically we are going to be 100% no flat. Basically it's going to be the same process on the other side. Jack it up a little higher, get those tires out, pull them out, put the new one in, bolt it back together, tension the track, and we're all set. So I'm gonna just move to the other side. We'll knock that one off, and this will be done. Tires are installed. It was a little bit of a struggle. Getting the tires out and the new ones in is actually quite a bit easier. The tough part is just getting the axle bolts or whatever, the axles lined up so that they go through and getting everything tightened up so it all fits back together. And the one thing that makes that the hardest is when you get the Cat into the shop and all the ice and snow starts melting off of it, you quickly end up working in this pile of road muck soup, and basically you can't lay on the ground anymore without rolling in this filth. So you're trying to reach underneath and not get yourself dirty all at the same time. It just makes things a lot more awkward, so I really hate that. But really there's no way around it with a winter machine like that. As soon as you bring it inside, yeah, it's gonna get all mucky. So anyway, we got that taken care of now. Next is to get it outside and go for a little ride around the yard, make sure that the track tension is appropriate, and then we should be good to go. Okay, well, The tracks are working really nicely. The tensions are perfect. All the tires are working great. It's nice to know that none of these tires are gonna blow out and give me any issues. I mean, maybe the bearings will go, maybe they'll disintegrate, who knows what else might happen. But for now, I feel good about this track design. I know that it's now fairly robust and should be able to tolerate the rigors of going out in the snow and playing around with this. I don't have a lot more to do in this video. That was about all I had planned on working on right now. And as far as videos for the rest of this year, I think this might be the last one. Of course, something might pop up in the meantime, but overall, planning to get the mini Snowcat out and just get some use on it, take it out to the cottage for the new year, and really just maybe take some time to enjoy it rather than just wrenching on it all the time. Well, and just in time, we ran out of gas in the Snowcat, so at least it's parked in a fairly decent spot, so it's not going to get in the way anymore. But like I said, that's about all I have for this video. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and really hoping to get over that 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to share this video with somebody else, please do so. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.